Hello everybody, and welcome back to Injecting Our Opinion. It is Sydney from Webco Plastics coming to you this week in a bright orange sweater in a bright yellow room. CFO Charles Daniels told me I could use a pop of color in my videos. I couldn't agree with him more, so here I am embracing that fact. Thank you, Charles. It is Friday, my friends, and I was thinking to myself this morning as I was brushing my teeth about how good the weekend feels when I've had a productive work week. When my work week is not as productive, I don't really care about Saturday and Sunday because I'm just stressed about Monday, but I don't feel that way this week, and I hope you all feel really good too. I just moved into a new home, so a bit of change of scenery. My roommate has 2 cats, so there are 2 new little babies in my life. All they want to do is destroy the stuff I've brought into the house, but they love to cuddle, so it is a-okay. What I want to talk to you about today is an experience I had this week that has stuck with me. I was having a conversation with somebody very close to me about a conversation they had had with their mentor. Their mentor had expressed a little dissatisfaction with progress, but critical feedback is good, so everything was fine. But how this person responded really stuck with me. He said, "It's okay, because I told him everything I mean." 1,000 times I have said, I told this person everything I could, or I told them everything I wanted to hear. I don't understand. And this got me thinking about a conversation I had this week with Tony DeMakis about authenticity. I called Tony to help me with my vlogs. I'm pretty new to vlogging. I'm not the best at it. And he gave me some great advice. His best advice of the day was, be your true, authentic self. By saying, I told him everything I mean versus I told him everything I could, you are being far more authentic. That person was being far more authentic. A great takeaway I got from this was that no growth can happen without acceptance of your truth. Instead of giving people what they want to hear, give the world yourself. There is only one of you. So Tony, thank you for letting me extend this message. I wanted to keep it short and sweet this week. If you guys like what you see, I post videos bi-weekly with little messages, little stories. Tune in, follow us on our social platforms. We are here for you. We'd love to talk. And I will see you next time on Injecting Our Opinion.